Streamlabs versus SteamYard. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss which is actually better for you guys and what you can actually begin to use. Now, Streamlabs versus SteamYard, these are the two popular platforms for live streaming, and which one is right for you? Well, let's figure that out. Now, first up, you can see Streamlabs.com. Known for its powerful features, it offers a variety of tools like alerts, overlays, and widgets, allowing streamers to customize their broadcast. And with Streamlabs, users can monetize their streams easily through integrated donation options and merchandise stores, providing a comprehensive platform for content creators in this case. Now, if you want to actually learn about SteamYard, then now let's dive into it. It's praised for its user-friendly interface and simplicity. SteamYard focuses on ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. So if you're just a beginner getting started, you can actually use SteamYard if that is the thing for you. One of SteamYard's standout features is its ability to host multi-person live streams with guests, and making it ideal for interviews, panels, and collaborative content creation. Now, while both platforms offer unique strengths, the choice between Streamlabs and SteamYard ultimately depends on your needs. If you seek customization and a wide variety of features, Streamlabs might be your go-to, but if simplicity and seamless multi-guest streaming are your priorities, SteamYard could be the perfect fit. Remember, the best choice is the one that aligns with your specific goals and preferences. Try both platforms to see which suits your live streaming style better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why, and see you next time.